am here at VIDA, the life, over here in Huntington Beach. And this is going to be an experience like no other. So let's go see what they have behind the door.
Hello, welcome to VIDA Tacos. My name is Anthony. We're serving authentic regional tacos from all over Mexico, from Tijuana down to Yucatan, Mexico. All of our tacos are going to be listed right there, 1 through 9. They're all going to be served a la carte with the exception of number 9. That one comes with 2 tacos. It's also our most popular tacos. I highly recommend them. They're our chef's mom's recipe from Guadalajara, Mexico. My personal favorites is the 5 and 6, the baja and the shrimp tacos. I highly recommend those. This is the red snapper with the jalapeno tartar, killer tacos. But we have everything from Sonora street dogs to carne asada fries, burritos, bowls, and desserts. Everything's made in-house from scratch, including our tortillas. We hand press them every single day, and we get a masa imported from Oaxaca, Mexico. We also have some amazing margaritas as well. No simple syrup, no triple sec, so all natural margaritas, essentially all mesquite. Some amazing birria tacos over here. Best way to enjoy tradition, of course, is to put some of that lime juice and a chile arbol salsa inside the taco and dipping it to the consomme. It brings down all that spiciness, comes out really great.
All right.
Enjoy, guys. Thank you. Enjoy. Thank you so much, guys.
Hello,
You are Chef.
Renato, yeah, from VIDA Tacos. We're
Wonderful.
featuring here our fish taco, Baja style, and our birria tacos, which consist of 3 recipes, which is my mom, my tia Tere, my tia Guille. So this is what we bring here: chile de árbol and your chile toreado, traditionally served. What really inspired me was my mom staying home while my brothers and my dad went to work, construction. I stayed home with my mom, helped her cook. So when my family came home from work, I'd be the one helping my mom cook. So that's where my passion for food came in. 20 plus years ago. So I get to cook, make people happy with food. So
What's your favorite dish you make?
here, I'm gonna be honest with you, is number 4, the cochinita pibil. It took me about 8 years to master that recipe. So now to feature it here, it's an honor, which is it's a traditional, cooked on the ground, but here we can't do that here. So I got creative. I cut the 4 ounces of pork, marinate it, wrap in banana leaves, and then we roast them for 6 hours. So you get the nice flavor in there. So then we put on a fresh made tortilla. You get your cochinita pibil, habanero sauce, and homemade pickled onions that we garnish it with.
That sounds amazing. Oh my gosh. Well, thank you for sharing the love.
Yeah, I appreciate it. My pleasure.
So when they come in here and they want to meet you, your name?
Renato.
Renato.
Renato, yeah. And then actually, right when you walk into the doors, you can see me. I'm right in the window. So I work the front. So I'm actually making every taco when I'm here.
Wow. So nice to meet you. Thank you.
Yeah, my pleasure.
All right. Get really serious. I mean, look at this love. Like all this love going on right here. Lime. Oh, the salt. Oh my gosh, look at this. No, I won't do that.
I'm driving, by the way.
Oh, I'm just gonna use some of it. Okay, this is vacation. This. Once you drink this, you will not leave. This is so vacation.
A toast.
Are we on vacation? We're on vacation. Cheers.
I'm almost ready to switch drinks with you now. Maybe you're driving.
Oh my gosh, I know. Hey, that's what I have Uber and Lyft for. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Why didn't I get one of those?
Oh my gosh, I don't know, but this is like vacation love.
What was
oh
I
my
thinking?
gosh.
But this is delicious too.
Oh yeah, that's so yummy.
Okay. Cheers to everybody out there at HB360 TV land.
That's right. And Huntington Henry with me today, our surf guy. Oh my gosh.
She dragged me off the beach.
That's right. I took him off the beach to enjoy this love. Oh my gosh. Vacation. Here we go. All right. What do we have? Okay. This is number 11. This is their shredded short rib tacos. Oh, and what else is special on that dish?
I don't know, but look, we have free condiments.
I know, right?
I don't eat those,
Oh
right?
my gosh. Well, the love that goes into these dishes, and every single thing here is handmade, including their tortillas. I'm telling you, handmade. And they grill these. These are so special. Look at these. Oh my gosh. I feel the love all over
A
again.
little dip. You want a little dip in there? Or?
No, you dip, I'll eat. Oh, isn't that delicious? Looking off the chart. Oh my god.
Real smooth.
It is so, I can't find this anywhere. This is so yummy. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at that. It's nothing but love going on right there.
Gonna have to get a taste-o-vision.
I know, right? I wish we could. Now, I was like a little lime on my tacos. How about you? Are you a lime guy?
Nothing wrong with that.
Oh, gotta have the lime. Squeeze that in. Oh my gosh, look at this.
I guess the trick is not to have it splash in your eyeball.
No, but just a lot of love going on here all over. I'm just been in love all day with this whole food. Now the owner, Ryan, and his staff put together, look at that. That's right, that's how that goes. Okay, VIDA, the life. Ryan and his lovely wife put this whole love experience together. Come out to VIDA. It will not disappoint. Outdoor dining, indoor dining. Order, sit down, have your deliver, and enjoy the love. Because
Lisa was right about this place. I had my doubts. She told me to meet her here, and I go, oh no. But she was right.
good stuff. Okay, VIDA, the life. Enjoy. Green pepper. Look at this guy. Oh my gosh. It's perfectly seasoned, perfectly roasted. It's just perfection. Oh.
Adiós, que vida tacos.
Adiós, que les vaya bien.